people don't have health insurance, and they may be wondering how the heck are these bills going to get paid? Are they going to be hanging over my head for the rest of my life? Hi, my name is Kevin Roach, and I'm a Missouri personal injury lawyer. One of the biggest questions and concerns that people have following an auto accident or truck accident is, how will my medical expenses get paid? People are always worried about that because oftentimes the medical expenses are really high if you're hospitalized. People don't have health insurance, and they may be wondering how the heck are these bills going to get paid? Are they going to be hanging over my head for the rest of my life? There are many ways that you can take care of the medical expenses, and that's really a big part of the work we do here. One of the best ways to get your medical expenses paid is to submit them to your private health insurance. Oftentimes people don't want to do that. They've been told that that's not a good thing to do, or maybe they feel that their health insurance should not have to pay because the accident was not their fault. But in most situations, the best way to take care of your medical expenses, or the majority of your medical expenses, is to submit them to your health insurance plan. And the reason why that's the best way is because your health insurance gets significant adjustments on your bills. Your health insurance, they're only going to pay a fraction of those bills. Another reason you want to submit them to your health insurance is because Missouri is a no subrogation state, meaning most of the time on health insurance plans, the insurance company does not have any subrogation rights. They can't come back and say, hey, we paid these medical expenses, we want that money back out of your settlement that you're going to receive. Another way that you can get your medical expenses paid from your auto accident is to file a MedPay claim. Many times people have MedPay coverage on their insurance. It's supplemental coverage that you have to pay a little bit extra for, but it specifically provides coverage for your medical expenses, because there's always going to be bills that aren't covered by your health insurance, unfortunately. There's going to be charges that they don't want to pay, or they're not required to pay. So you can use your MedPay to pay those accident-related medical expenses. If you don't have health insurance and you don't have any MedPay on your vehicle, you can use the Missouri medical lien statute to get your medical expenses satisfied. So oftentimes we have clients with medical expenses that exceed any amount of insurance coverage that there is for their claim, so they wonder, well, how am I going to get my medical expenses paid and still get a settlement? Well, the answer a lot of times is the Missouri medical lien statute. The Missouri medical lien statute allows them to get up to half of the net recovery. So even if you have hundreds of thousands of dollars in medical expenses, if your net recovery is $70,000, the most they can get is $35,000, which is half your net recovery. And what's good about the Missouri medical lien statute is they can't come back and ask for the remaining balance from you. It fully satisfies the outstanding balance. They can't pursue any kind of collection action against you for the balance. So if you've been involved in an auto accident and you have medical expenses, you have questions and concerns about how they're going to get paid, feel free to give us a call. We can walk you through the process and help you with your claim.